Good morning, class 4th. So, it is a quiz time. You have to answer some easy questions of chapter Beak and Sense. If you give the correct answer, it means that you have understood this chapter well. And if you are not able to answer well, then it means that you have to read this chapter again. You have to read this chapter again. So, are you all ready? Let's start this quiz. You have to attempt multiple choice questions. So now you can see question number 1. B can see an object by, your question is, B can see an object by A. Skin, B. Eyes, C. Ears, D. Nose. So your options are A. Skin, B. Eyes, C. Ears, D. Nose. Did you choose your answer? So the right answer of question 1 is eyes. Is this your right answer? Now we are going to move for question 2. Question 2 is our ears help us to recognize. So your question is our ears help us to recognize. Which thing can be recognized by our ears? Of your options are A. Colors, B. Taste, C. Danger, D. Smell. So your options are A. Colors, B. Taste, C. Danger, D. Smell. Did you choose your answer? So the answer of question 2 is danger. Our ears help us to recognize danger. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Now, question 3. Question 3 is taste buds are present on A. Tongue, B. Nose, C. Eyes, D. Ears. So question 3, you can see that taste buds are present on which organ has taste buds, and your options are A. Tongue, B. Nose, C. Eyes, D. Ears. Did you choose your answer? So I am going to tell the right answer. The right answer of question 3 is tongue. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Now the next question. Question 4. Nose has two openings called your options A. Buds, B. Voices, C. Nostrils, D. Holes. You can choose any one from these options A. Buds, B. Voices, C. Nostrils, D. Holes. Did you choose your answer? So the right answer of this question 4 is nostrils. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Now moving to the next question. Question 5th. Our whole body is covered and protected by A. Buds, B. Nostrils, C. Teeth, D. Skin. So your question, our whole body is covered and protected by, and your options: A. Birds, B. Nostrils, C. Teeth, D. Skin. Did you choose your answer? So the right answer of this question is skin. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Now moving to the next question. Question 6. Touch that makes us uncomfortable is A. Good touch, B. Bad touch, C. Both good and bad touch, D. Not any touch. So your question is, which touch can feel us uncomfortable? By which touch we can feel uncomfortable? So your options is good touch, bad touch, both good and bad touch, not any touch. Did you choose in? Have you chosen your answer? So the answer of question 6 is bad touch. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Now next, question 7. A person who cannot see is called deaf, mute, good, blind. So question 7 is, a person who cannot see is called A. So your options are A. Deaf, B. Mute, C. Good, D. Blind. Have you chosen your answer? So the right answer of this question is blind. Is this your answer? This answer is right. Your questions end here. Now you have to tell in the comment or group that how many questions you answered correctly. Thank you, class.